Debbie. Rachel, Len.
I need to be over here because I need to take off.
Stand up.
There's Abby. She's going to do it for me. Is it possible that you can email me the video?
It'll be about 2 gigabytes in size. I'll put it online and make your data download, but yesterday. And this is 3D.
Oh, okay.
And this is just HD. So I'll have both of the children.
Okay. I'll give you my email address then.
Okay.
And, okay.
Have everyone in the door that is expected, so we don't have anyone off to the side feeling hurt that the family members are coming in yet. Thank you all for coming today. This is our fabulous 4th grade, and they are going to perform Blame It on the Lip for you. Please laugh when you want. It's supposed to be thoroughly funny and enjoyable, so please join in. Don't hold back.
Scene 1. The jury is seated on the side of the stage. Judge Bob turns to the podium, walking down to the center.
Jury, have you reached a verdict?
Yes, Your Honor. We find the wolf.
Stop! Wait, freeze. I didn't do it. I ain't guilty. You gotta believe me. Why do they always blame the wolf? They never bothered to listen to my side of the story until now. I'm going to tell you my side of the story. You can step in my shoes and look in my eyes. You'll decide if I did it. They all say that we're hiding this grandma, Old Red. I'll present my case, and you can decide. I know you'll be fair. It all started in this courtroom a few days ago when they asked one of the 3 little pigs to tell the court about the first day they met me. Please state your full names for the jury. Iggy the Piggy. Your witness, Mr. Wolf. Iggy, how long have you known the defendant?
Who's the defendant?
Me, the wolf.
Oh, 2 weeks, I guess.
You guess? You always guess when you answer questions in the court of law.
I don't know.
You don't know.
I've never been in a court of law before.
Me neither. Are you nervous?
Yes, I am. Who are they?
They're the jury. They'll decide if I did it or not.
Can we get on with it?
Sorry, Your Honor. Please tell the court about the first day we met.
My 2 brothers were over at my brick house.
For the record, Your Honor, Iggy the Piggy refers to his brothers Squiggy and Bo.
Iggy, Squiggy, and Bo. My parents already had an Iggy and a Squiggy, so they thought they should have one mouth.
Scene 2. Inside Iggy's bent house. Iggy, Squiggy, and Muff are all huddling in the corner, trembling with fright. Women's at the side of the stage looking mean. Little pigs, let me come in.
Not for the hair on my attention. You tell Iggy thanks, Squiggy.
Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, I'll blow your house into another galaxy. Let me in, little pigs, I'll make you my supper.
What did he say? There's a make us a supper. Make us a supper. Don't worry, brothers. My brick house is strong enough to protect us from the evil wolf.
Scene 3. Back in the courtroom at the trial.
Thank you, Iggy. have anything to ask Mr. Wolf?
Yes, Your Honor. I would like to call Squeaky and Mo to the stand.
Squeaky and Mo, please take the stand.
What do you think I said outside your brick house on the day in question?
I thought he said, I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house into another galaxy. I thought he said, my hands are left. Can I blow some motorized in the ocean? I thought he said, I'll have a BLT on whole week. Hold the mayo.
So you admit you really aren't sure what I say. I intend to prove that sometimes you don't hear everything clearly.
Mr. Wolf.
And some people only hear what they want to hear.
Mr. Wolf.
And some people have wax.
Mr. Wolf. Mr. Wolf.
Judge, Your Honor, with your permission, I'd like to explain what really happened that day about the 3 little pigs.
All right, Mr. Wolf. Make it snappy.
Scene 4, back at the brick house, the pigs are all sitting around playing Monopoly.
1, 2, 3, go directly to jail. Darn. My turn.
I always get a flat tire out here in the middle of nowhere. Now I've got to do a fine phone. Maybe the people who live in this brick house will let me call the motor club from their phone. Hello? Hello? Who's that?
Can be a transfer, or I can.
Maybe
The 3 bears, Harry, Mary, and Epstein. Those are 3 little kittens. Their birds are named Ritzy, Mitzi, and Puzzle. No, they're the 3 by mice. The 3 bears are named Enrico, Pico, and Kenneth Sinnet. I'll look out the window.
Hey, speak of
Oh, I'm scared. Hey, let's get out, brother. Get right to this Brunswick house.
welcome, I say. The house of the 3 little pigs. Little pigs, let me come in. I got flat on the interstate and I need to call a tow truck.
My Tin. Please, Iggy. Thanks, Squiggy.
Please. I'm so out of breath. I'm walking all the way from my car. I'm huffing and I'm puffing and I need to blow my nose.
He said he'll make us his supper. No. What did he say? He says he'll make us his supper. Stop that. I'll say that.
Please help me, little pigs.
What did he say?
I'm so hungry I haven't had any supper.
What did he say? He'll make us his supper. He'll make us his supper. Don't worry, brother. My brick house is strong enough to protect us from the evil wolf.
Please help.
Scene 5, the courtroom.
Members of the jury, please understand that the people here is careful. It's your job to decide who is telling the truth. You will now hear from 2 more character witnesses. Officer 1, please call Hansel go to stand. Officer 2, please call Hansel go to stand. Officer 3, please call Hansel go to stand. Officer. Please stand.
Your Honor, I plan to reveal to the court that I could not have possibly eaten all bread without saving the lives of these 2 children. Please state your names for the court.
Hansel. Gretel.
Where did we first meet?
And it's a Popeye's house.
And how did you happen to arrive there?
My sister and I lost our way in the woods. It wasn't my fault. I told him to leave a trail. I keep telling you I did leave a trail. You don't leave a trail of breadcrumbs and a forest will hunger the animals.
Scene 6, flashback to the woods outside Auntie Pot Pie's candy house. Woodsman and woodswoman enter with a lantern looking for their children.
Hansel, Gretel, Hansel. Children, where are you?
They're nowhere to be found. What shall we do? Oh, it's my fault. If only I hadn't been so greedy about the firewood. I never should have sent them alone in the forest. What shall become of them?
Now we shall find them. I know every inch of these woods. Their legs are short. They couldn't have gone far.
Oh, our poor children. What's up? Come up.
You're not that weak.
It's falling. It's falling. Tomorrow you'll be crawling under piles of clouds and sky. It's frightful. Appalling. Is it any stone? I wish these wings could fly. I fly away above the sky on Venus I would live. The moon would be my neighbor. There'd be no one to give the word. It's falling. It's falling. I tell you that I'm falling. As soon as I feel it, I'll be spreading me apart. I'm getting very tired. It's falling. Tomorrow you'll be crawling under piles of clouds and sky. Where are we, brother? I thought we
We didn't want to stay on after we had enough stones to drop them off our way.
What did you drop, brother?
There comes my
Breadcrumbs? You drop breadcrumbs in forms of hungry little animals?
candy bar. Looks good to eat. It's making me very hungry. Let's take a small box.
Who is nibbling on my house? What was that? Who is nibbling on my house?
Your smile, Mommy. You're very hungry. Maybe eat your doorpost?
It's falling. It's falling. Tomorrow you'll be crawling under piles of clouds of sky.
Right. Falling. Where is it? It's falling.
I wish these wings could fly. I fly away above the sky on Venus I would live. The men will be unable and there'll be no one to give the word. It's falling. It's falling. I tell you that I'm falling. This news of doom I will be spreading near and far. I'm getting very tired. How I wish I had a call. It's falling. It's falling. Tomorrow you'll be crawling under piles of clouds of sky.
Scene 7, the courtroom. Hansel and Gretel are finishing their story.
And then she locked us in a cage until a wolf came by and rescued us. Thank you, Mr. Wolf, for saving my children. Order in the court. Mr. Wolf, do you have any further questions?
Just a few, Your Honor. Hansel, Gretel, how would you describe me?
Well, you're about 4'9" and furry.
No, I mean as a person.
You're very kind to us.
I rest my case.
Officer 1, please call an order right in the stand.
After 2, please call the order right in the stand. After 3, please call the order right in the stand.
Officer, right on here, please.
The wolf ate my grandma. He came to the doorstep and ate her up. I always visit on Thursdays. Last Thursday, she was gone. He must have eaten her. I say let's x-ray his stomach and look for her bifocals.
I've never eaten vegetable grandmother. I'm going to explain what really happened that day. It's falling. It's falling. I tell you that I'm falling. This news of doom I will be spreading on far. I'm getting very tired. How I wish I had a car. It's falling. It's falling. Tomorrow you'll be crawling under clouds and clouds of sky.
With this disguise over, I will think that I am the big bad wolf and that I ate your grandmother. This way I can get back at that nasty wolf who let those two delicious children, Hansel and Gretel, go. This way I can also get back at Little Red's grandma, Old Red, my sweet twin sister. Yuck! Here's a basket of goodies for the best grandma in the world. I'm not your granny, I'm the big bad wolf. So, I mean, what ears you have, Grandma? These are wolf ears. Why don't you open your... I'm not your granny. These are... I'm not your granny. I'm the big bad wolf. What big eyes you have, Grandma? These are wolf eyes. Why don't you open yours and take a look? What big wolf-like teeth you have, Grandma? Better believe it, baby. What do you have to say about that? Throat still?
I didn't hear.
I'm back. Thank you, dear sister, for sending me on that lovely vacation. Although I don't think I'll ever get over how surprised I was when you offered me the trip. I thought you didn't like me. I know better now, sweet sister.
Sister, me, you always come in at the wrong time.
I think we owe Mr. Wolf an apology. We can only hope that he accepts it.
Oh, I accept. But it isn't easy to see both sides of the story. But you'll never see the other side if you don't look.
This is also sweet and much that you I'm going to be sick. You all celebrate, I'm going home.